For the outdoor entrance way, we have here's a 2-bulb candelabra outdoor fixture. We're going to hang it up, show you what it looks like in the evening hours. As we unbox the unit, show you how nicely it comes packaged, the instruction pamphlet, the fixture separating from the opening, and plastic. 2 bulbs not included. Please remove all foam from the inside carefully and remove the bracket and the hardware. Find a location to hang and place parallel. Place on your ground. Our demonstration purposes, we're connecting our load and neutral with the supplied wire nuts. Tuck in your leads and place on the bolts through the hole and your bell house nuts onto the bolt. Your outdoor sconce, the outdoor fixture made of tinted glass, black and design with the 2 candelabra bulbs. We're going to show you what this light looks like in the evening hours lit up. It has a pendulum inside that levels your light, pendulum design, all-weather, IP rated. We'll show you what it looks like in the evening hours. Entryway, doorways, you have your light lit up, outdoor light with 260-watt candelabra bulbs, not included. You have your glass, your opening, metal, your design. Hang it by the door, by the entrance. This is your outdoor fixture, your lighting needs. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.